Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 13 and 14 of class 6 subject GK. Independence Day. India celebrates its independence on 15 August every year. Given below are the names of some countries write their Independence Day by taking help from the hint box. Here are the names of some countries. We are going to write the date when they got the independence, as India got its independence on 15 August. Okay, so when these countries get their independence, the first one is USA. So it is July 4, 1776. The spelling of July, July, July. Second one is Denmark. It got independent in June 5, 1849. So write the spelling June, June 5, 1849. Next is Canada. It got independence on July 1, 1867. So write July, July 1, 1867. Fourth one is Mexico. It is September 16, 1810. So write the spelling SEPTEMBER, September 16, 1810. Okay. Next one, it is Poland. Fifth one, it is November 11, 1918. So write NOVEMBER, November 11, 1918. Next is Zimbabwe. It is April 18, 1980. So write APRIL, April 18, 1980. Next is New Zealand, seventh one. It is October 28, 1835. OCTOBER, October 28, 1835. Eighth one is Australia. So it is January 26, 1788. So write JANUARY, January 26, 1788. Next is South Africa. It is December 11, 1931. So write DECEMBER, December 11, 1931. Next is Argentina. It is July 9, 1816. So write JULY, July 9, 1816. 11th is Sri Lanka. It is February 4, 1948. So FEBUARY, February 4, 1948. Next is Russia. It is June 12, 1990. JUNE, June 12, 1990. 13th one, it is Brazil. September 7, 1822. Write SCPTEMBER, September 7, 1822. So these are the countries. Okay, and when they got independence, we have written the dates and the year. Coming to the page number 19, we have chapter number 14, Museums of the World. A large number of objects are kept and shown to the public in museums. Write the names of the museums below as per the clue and the given picture. Here are some clues given to us and we have to write the names of the museum. So first one is, we have a famous museum in India that has a wonderful collection of 40,000 objects. Okay children, so it is Salar Jung Museum, Hyderabad. So write the spelling SALARJUNG, Salar Jung Museum, 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 and the place we have is the Hyderabad. So write Hyderabad. Okay. Second one, a museum situated in New York. It has many objects related to art. It is an art museum. About 5 lakh visitors come every year for visiting this museum. Okay, so it is Metropolitan Museum of Art. So write Metropolitan Metropolitan Museum, Museum Museum, of Art. Third one, it is a beautiful museum in Paris and is the maximum visited museum. About 9 lakh visitors come yearly to visit this museum. It is Louvre Museum, Paris. So write Louvre, Louvre, Museum, places Paris, Paris, Paris. Fourth one, this museum is situated in London and the total attendance in this museum is about 47 lakh 7,537. It is British Museum. So write British British Museum, Museum. Fifth one, this gallery attracts about 48 lakh visitors. It is also situated in London. It is National Gallery, London. So write NATIONAL, National Gallery, 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 LONDON, London. Sixth one, a museum in London which attracts about 60 lakh visitors. It is Tate Modern, London. So write TATE, Tate Modern, 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 bracket LONDON, London. Did you know in museums unique and antique items are kept so that people will come and have a look at those items and gain knowledge about the past? So children, we have read and done the chapter number 13 and 14 in our textbooks. You also have to do the same work in your textbook. You have to learn the years of these countries when they got independent with the dates properly, and you have to learn the names of the museums given here and where they are located. Okay children, and you have to complete your work in a very neat and a beautiful handwriting. Thank you.